Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's dramatic way of saying get out of here. Whenever dust, pepper, or even random sunlight tickles your nose, your body launches a sneeze attack that's faster than a Formula One car. One sneeze can shoot air out at almost 100 miles per hour. Basically, your nose is a mini jet engine. Funny thing is, sneezing has no shame. It will hit you in the middle of class, in church, or on a first date. It doesn't care. And once it starts, you can't stop it. That's because sneezing is controlled by your brain's sneeze center, which doesn't ask for permission, it just pulls the trigger. Whoa! And about that, bless you. After sneezing, it's an old superstition. Long ago, people thought sneezing meant your soul might escape your body. So bless you was like saying, hey, so stay in there. These days it's just politeness. But now you know, sneezing is basically your body's explosive self-cleaning button.